Personally, I have a new slogan. I say, okay, there's so many things to be learned, right? Yes. I cannot learn everything. True? Yes. So, do I know the basics? Yes. Okay. What to do is jump on the project, learn while working on a project. Let me tell you why. In 2020, when I began statistical analysis, everything happened by accident. Of course, I knew some basics on statistical analysis based on my undergraduate program and the friends surrounding me. But I didn't have the confidence to go on and begin practicing, helping someone. Then one day, a friend of mine called me. I was like, hey, Isaac, I am too busy. I have only 1 week to finish my data analysis and report writing. I need you to help me, and I believe you can help me. He didn't ask me like, oh, do you know how to use this software? Do you know how to use the other software? He just asked me, I know you can do this analysis and I need you to help me. Okay, yes, I was broke, and so I said yes. In my mind, I was, of course, very convinced that I could do it. So there and then I went on, I asked these friends that knew how to do analysis, two of them. So all at different time. I went and got a 30 minutes lesson from one person. So we just got the objectives of the study, and then he taught me, okay, do like this, do like this is a sample code to use. I was, of course, using starter. So starter, we use command. So he showed me you can run this command, run this command, run this command. Cool. I went to the other colleague. The other colleague also taught me similar thing, but it only had one slight difference, but they all performed the same thing. There was no AI by then. In 2020, we didn't have all these chat GPT, all these chatbots. So you needed to figure out things on your own, or maybe you Google around, look for answers, look for solutions, look for how to interpret some other thing. And I managed to execute the project with a minimal correction. Since then, I've always used this belief that, you know what, one of the best ways that I will be learning is take up a project, take up something active, and then you learn what is required for that specific kind of work. Otherwise, if you sit back trying to learn everything there is to learn, you will not be able to finish everything. Trust me.